Remark exhaust. Mid-pipe, non-resonant install, baby. You know what I'm saying? We got the car lifted up.
No resonators?
Yeah, no resonator. Well, the stock one doesn't have a resonator either. This one's gonna be thicker though. See this joint in here, that's like, shit, that diameter is small. And this one, oh, look at that girth. Jeez. I'm gonna knock out this install and then I'll give you some sound clips after. We just got the whole mid-pipe installed. And now we gotta tighten all the bolts up and then we gonna get a first co-star for y'all and get some sound clips. Sheesh, bro, look how thick that looks. Damn, that shit look good. I'm excited. It was actually quieter on at idle than with the OEM part. Spin this boy around. Oh shit. Alright. Okay. Honestly, I can't tell a difference, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Right now, when I was just driving around, it sounds exactly the same as the OEM mid-pipe with the Remark axle backs. So this mid-pipe for this one, turn this off, is actually bigger than the OEM one. I can't even tell a difference. Maybe it's a little bit deeper. I think I'll be able to notice it a lot when I'm like really stepping on it, and that's when the car comes to life. Oh yeah. Once you step on it, then you hear it. All right, boys. Hey, this thing actually sounds pretty good. Check this out. Okay. That sounds pretty deep. These still pops. Oh, it doesn't pop like that no more. That's okay, that shit sounds so good. Dude, my car looks so thick. Yeah. And make it pop in second gear. Yeah, go down this way. Make it pop in second gear. Yeah. Say make it pop in second gear like how I showed you.
Oh, it still does it though.
Yeah, in second gear though.
Okay. You want to do it on this street?
I don't mind.
I have this longer.
Oh no, just turn around and then coming down here, yeah. Right. Like last time. Right. Okay, that sounds nutty. It looks way better from the back too. Oh, it's not as loud. It's not like ear deafening like before. Yeah, it's like deeper pops. Damn, you heard that spool? Sheesh. Alright, y'all. So that's what the adapter looks like in there. Right there. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. just installed the Grimspeed OEM downpipe to 3-inch catback adapter, and all the exhaust leaks are now gone.